Every second, humanity burns the energy of nearly 190,000 litres of oil. Fossil fuels have built our world. They light up our cities, power our industries, and move our cars, ships and planes. But they also come with a catch: carbon emissions, pollution, and a rapidly warming planet. We know we have to stop, but what can truly replace fossil fuels? Today, around 80% of the world's energy still comes from coal, oil, and gas. Completely switching them off overnight isn't possible. Demand keeps growing, and renewables alone aren't yet enough. So instead of one big solution, the future might need many small creative ones. We already know the classics: solar, wind, hydropower, and nuclear energy. Each is powerful, but each has limits. Solar and wind need storage. Hydropower can harm ecosystems. And nuclear, well, it's complicated. Oh, what else is out there? Deep below our feet, Earth's core burns as hot as the sun's surface. Traditional geothermal power taps this heat, but only in volcanic areas. Now, new super-deep drilling technology might reach that heat anywhere and the ground beneath any city into a power plant. If it works, it could provide limitless carbon-free energy 24/7. Imagine a fuel grown in green ponds. Algae can produce oils similar to diesel, and it eats carbon dioxide for breakfast. Unlike crops like corn or soy, algae doesn't compete for farmland or fresh water. Some prototypes already fuel airplanes and ships. It's a way to make liquid fuel without digging up the past. Hydrogen is often called the fuel of the future: clean, powerful, and versatile. But most hydrogen today is made using fossil fuels, FEI. So scientists are learning to split seawater using solar energy, creating green hydrogen with nothing but sunlight and salt water. When used, it releases only pure water vapor. Clean energy in, clean energy out. Nature has already solved energy conversion. It's called photosynthesis. Plants take sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide and turn them into sugar and oxygen. Now researchers are building artificial leaves, devices that mimic this process to make liquid fuel directly from sunlight and air. Imagine solar panels that produce gasoline instead of electricity. Yeah, feitui. Even microbes can help. Some bacteria naturally generate electricity as they break down waste, literally turning pollution into power. And we're learning to capture energy from motion: sidewalks, roads, and train stations that generate power when people move. It's small scale, but everywhere. The future won't run on one perfect energy source. It'll run on a creative mix: solar, geothermal, biological, and recycled energy. Each fits a different need, region, or scale. The real challenge isn't invention, it's integration, connecting these systems into a global, resilient energy web. Fossil fuels built modern civilization, but creativity, human ingenuity, will power what comes next. From the depths of the Earth to microscopic life, we're discovering energy everywhere. Because the most powerful fuel humanity has ever created is imagination.